US refuses to join global COVID-19 vaccine effort because it is led by the WHO. Great example of how all Trump knows how to do is fire people. That guy can't actually solve problems, build things, work out solutions, improve situations. All he knows how to do is rush in, smash and grab, point fingers and get the fuck out. That last part can't come soon enough for me. Elect a clown, expect a circus. I truly despise everyone in this fucking joke of an administration. I think the real issue is this. Equal access to a COVID-19 vaccine is the key to beating the virus and paving the way for recovery from the pandemic, said Stefan Löfven, the Prime Minister of Sweden. This cannot be a race with a few winners, and the COVAX facility is an important part of the solution, making sure all countries can benefit from access to the world's largest portfolio of candidates and fair and equitable distribution of vaccine doses. The US government considers things like equitable distribution of health to be the work of the devil and wants no part in such devilish plans that benefit all humanity. Can we opt in on an individual basis? I'm so tired. Just want to remind people that not once during Trump's administration did we keep a permanent US representative in WHO. He essentially handed this organization to China and made them the de facto leader. It's like they have a toddler in charge of their country. This is the best TLDR I could make. Original, https://www. Forbes.com/site/Tommy Beer/2020/09/01/ Us won't join global coronavirus vaccine effort because it's led by the WHO #59FA5D725876, reduced by 76%. I'm a bot. The U.S. announced Tuesday that it would not join an international coalition to find and distribute a COVID-19 vaccine worldwide due to the group's association with the World Health Organization, the latest sign of the Trump administration withdrawing the country from the international health community's response to the pandemic over political concerns. In July, the administration sent a letter signaling its intent to withdraw from the WHO. When the U.S. says it is not going to participate in any sort of multilateral effort to secure vaccines, it's a real blow, said Sweri Moon, co-director of the Global Health Center at the Graduate Institute of International and Development Studies in Geneva. U.S. says it won't join WHO-linked effort to develop, distribute coronavirus vaccine. Extended summary, http://np. reddit.com/r/auditol/us_refuses_join_go/us_join_vaccine_effort/FAQ, http://np. reddit.com/r/auditol/comments/31b9fm/FAQ_auditol_bot/version 2.0252115ATL, DRS so far, feedback, http://np. reddit.com/message/compose, 2=%23 auditoldr PMs and comments are monitored, constructive feedback is welcome. Top keywords, vaccine #1 health #2 world #3 organization #4 U.S. Once again folks, we need to vote these crazies out, they're going to get us killed. And I don't just mean the press. All his little enablers, be they McConnell and Collins or Rand Paul and Lindsey Graham. If you value your life and the lives of your family, then we need to stop putting people in charge of government who don't believe in it. Seriously, it'd be like putting Barb Boxer in charge of the NRA. I'm seriously having a mental breakdown over this shit. It's really affecting my emotional and mental well-being. I fell in love with the concept of American government. My passion for the law and our history inspired me to pursue a BA in international affairs. I wanted to be a diplomat or represent the US in some kind of humanitarian fashion. I was so proud of my country and the morals and values represented by our Constitution. Since then I've traveled and I've learned. I've learned that the US has basically tormented the rest of the world, beginning with the glorification of capitalism. It truly pains me to write this, but I'm ashamed to be an American right now. My values do not, and have not, aligned with the actions my country has taken over the last few decades, especially the last 4 years. How is it that compassion and empathy are viewed as signs of weakness? Selfishness, power, greed, etc. Traits of psychopaths are praised over unison and collaboration. The phrase progressive is somehow shunned. How did we get here? Why am I having to defend science and the post office to my Fox News parroting family? How did so many people become so gullible? How did social media replace education? I'm fucking sick to my stomach over it. I cry sometimes just thinking about how many lives have been lost and the amount of people who just do not care. Just end it already. I'm ready for the apocalypse. Whatever cleanses this earth of all these sick people. I mean, I kind of understand. I do like The Who, they have some great songs, but I wouldn't want to task musicians with a medical assignment. U.S. refuses to join global COVID-19 vaccine effort because the plan is to provide the vaccine to everyone and anyone who needs it, as safely and as cheaply as possible, with no room for anyone to make a profit or manipulate the vaccine distribution for political ends. Being an American is so embarrassing these days. Source: Am American. You mean Trump refuses? Don't lump me into this shit. Holy hell, I just died a little more inside. Remember when being from the United States wasn't so damn embarrassing? At this point, I am not a proud American. This is so far out of hand it's unbelievable. Would they prefer it was led by us? Pfizer. Because our president is an ignorant, uneducated, narcissistic moron. Not U.S. Republicans. Please, I'm all for avoiding a civil war. Let's just divide the country in two and put duct tape down the middle. Our half can take the vaccine, your half can ask Jesus to help. Keep 'em sick and keep 'em stupid, the Republican way. America is starting to look like the elephant graveyard from a distance, and younger generations will be told, you must never go there. I keep thinking I've never been so embarrassed to be an American, and then we move in these directions. Ready to take myself out of our census. The WHO suggest we should join together to develop a vaccine, but Trump, in his ever-increasing ignorance, says who are you to tell me what to do? I won't get fooled again, and if you do create a vaccine we're not gonna take it. The real reason is the same reason they didn't use the widely available COVID test in the early days of the pandemic. Instead, they waited a couple weeks and Trump held a press conference announcing that some pharmaceutical company was developing their own tests. You can guarantee that him or his family made money off it somehow. It's only ever about profit with these crooks. Mega morons are governing America. This is just so willfully absurd. Americans are stupid once again. I'm also an American, fuck the USA currently. As an American, I find my leaders mind-numbingly stupid and ineffectual. I just can't believe this. It's a fucking pandemic. Can you at least try to pretend that you care about something besides getting re-elected? I mean seriously. Is this really happening? We Canadians are pretty worried about where you guys are heading. Vote this guy out, please.